week.
Right now, 67.4% of adults in Oregon have received at least their first dose of a COVID vaccine. That means that we're getting closer to losing the COVID restrictions.
Melody Gonzalez joins us live this morning with a look at vaccine accessibility across the state. Melody?
Yeah, good morning. So the governor is encouraging people to reach out to their own medical providers to get some of their questions answered if they haven't yet got their vaccine. Now, this weekend, the governor applauded a big push by Clackamas County for public health workers to vaccinate people who are unable to leave their homes. The governor says local public health staffers are doing extraordinary work in communities around the state to get more people vaccinated. And she says pharmacies have stepped up as well by extending their hours to make it convenient for people who work the traditional 9 to 5 hours.
The good news is that these vaccines are available in just about every nook and cranny of Oregon. And we want to encourage Oregonians to reach out to their medical provider, their healthcare provider, to get their questions answered if they have questions.
At just over 67%, and OHA's website says around 87,000 more people need to get vaccinated in Oregon in order to reach that 70% benchmark. Reporting live, Melody Gonzalez, KOIN 6 News.
All right, thank you, Melody. We are now less than a week away from two of Oregon's largest vaccination clinics closing for good. The Oregon Convention Center and the Red Lot at PDX will both close after this Saturday. If you are still in need of a vaccine dose, the Hillsborough Stadium will operate through June 25th, and in Vancouver, the Tower Mall site will stay open until June 29th. And of course, there are pharmacies across the metro area also doing coronavirus vaccines. And you can always get the very latest updates on the pandemic from your computer or mobile device at koin.com/coronavirus.
We are following breaking news out of